Today, I am going to show you a 1 BHK apartment in Mag 5. Mag 5 Boulevard is one of the coolest communities in Dubai South. With all the amenities like swimming pool, jogging track, kids park, gym, this is the best place to live in the entire Dubai South residential area. To see the amenities in Mag, you can click on the link shown on the top of this video. This is the entrance of one of the building, beautiful reception. There are 2 lifts available. There you can see beautiful corridor with modern paintings on each side of the wall. Okay. Let's open the door. Here comes the big hall with a cool open kitchen. We have a big window that will provide enough sunlight to the hall. This is the bedroom. We have an inbuilt big wardrobe that will occupy all stuff. It is really big. The ceiling lights are elegantly designed. So the bedroom and the hall. By the way, that is my friend Fahad Fazal. On the other side we have the bathroom. The view through the window is beautiful. The air condition in the apartment is chiller type. The utility bill for the chiller air condition is coming separately. The bathroom tiles are anti-slippery and there is a glass partition between wet area and dry area. There is enough storage space in the kitchen cupboard. The rent for 1 BHK is starting from 24k to 28k dirhams.